niyong kainin kapag summer, kapag nasa beach kayo? Ano ba yung mga hilig niyong gawin? Gusto niyo bang nagtatampisaw lang? Tampisaw, tampisaw? Or you can surf? Or scuba diving? What else? What else can you do sa dagat? O basta yun. Let me know. Comment kayo. And give me some suggestions din na mga pwedeng i-try, mga bagong pwedeng experience. Hindi ko alam, pero there's something about being in the beach and being matakaw. Kapag nag-out of town trips ako, going to the beach, going elsewhere, lagi akong gutom. I don't know why. Pero diba, ironically, syempre beach body ka dapat, pero lagi akong gutom. Nakaka-increase ng appetite yung dagat, right? Ang sarap kumain ng seafood, ang sarap ng mga smoothie bowls. Anything healthy is extra delicious when you're by the beach. Kayo, saan nyo ba gustong kumain? Kasi ako,